Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, we have implemented a balanced diet working model, the concept we wanted to showcase in the science exhibitions. So let us understand what is all about balanced diet. So balanced diet is a right way of eating the food in such a way that we do get enough nutrients to our body. So basically, so in this working model, so we have depicted 10 different ways if we eat and do certain things that can lead to get higher nutrients and we get good health care for ourselves. So here what we are trying to do here is, so we have put a diet, we have put a balanced diet wheel here. So here, so normally on our day-to-day, whatever we eat, that should consisting of carbohydrates. And carbohydrates normally we do get by using rice, we do get corn and so on. So these are carbohydrate items. And the second thing we can eat is fruits and vegetables. All fruits and vegetables we should eat daily. And we have third element, which is proteins. The proteins normally will have more in the fish. And the fourth item is dairy products. We should drink milk, curd, we have butter, cheese, and so on. So these are all come under dairy products. And the fifth one is fat, which is oily element. So apart from eating all these 5 different ingredients, we have to drink enough water for our day-to-day body activities. And also we should do regular exercise, at least 30 minutes every day. And eighth we should do here is, we should eat all the time healthy food, not the junk food. Ninth thing we should do is, we should always eat in a balanced manner, in a moderate way. And 10th is, we should stay active as well as we have to keep doing exercise. And we also given a daily balanced diet plan in a day. So what are the things we should do in terms of eating habits? One is, we should eat breakfast, which consisting of milk, fruits, bread or cereals. And in the lunch, we can eat rice, roti, dal, vegetables and salad. And in the evening snacks, we can eat fruits or nuts, and even healthy snacks is very beneficial for your health. And in the dinner, the light food, soup or vegetables we can eat. And before bed, we can drink a cup of milk here. So by doing this, so what are the benefits do we get? The major benefit we do get here is keep you energized in a day, and it improves the concentration for human, and also it supports growth. The body will get good growth, as well as we get immunity boosting, so that any diseases, if it comes, it will have right immunity, so that we can reduce that kind of diseases because of we have enough immunity. So now we are going to run the dietary wheel here. So if you can see, right, so we have made a concept of rotating this wheel so that it looks like a working model. I hope you guys got a clarity what is all about balanced diet wheel, and what are the 10 things we should do in our day-to-day eating and staying healthy and living strong. So you have to do all these 10 things, and also in our day-to-day balanced diet plan, what we should do it, what are the benefits we do get, everything we have explained in this video. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share it with your friends, so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.